And this is the game room, and as you can see, this is all the game room. And now we're going back to our
house to get my
room.
floaty.
So we will go for swimming now because Bella's keep on annoying us. Now we are full. We are done with our breakfast and we have played also in the game zone. Now it's time for us to go to the room and we will go for a swim.
First, I need to get my floaties, then I get swim.
Yes.
Furtado family vlog. I'm winning, Mama. You're losing. I'm winning so far. Oh my God. Yeah.
Now guys, we are inside in a game room in a hotel and it's all free. So as you can see, they have some ping pong table here. It's another one more and this one. Where's Isabella? Isabella, try here na. Huh? Okay. So this is all the game station, which is free of cost. So, my husband is driving the car. Isabella, let's play ping pong. Okay, that one. So Isabella and me will play ping pong. This is not ping pong. This is not ping pong. Okay. No, wait. that also the
She's strangling me right now. See?
trying to kiss.
Only she's fitting in that video.
And that game zone, we've gone to game zone and that was so fun. And it was unlimited. You can play as much as you want and it's free of cost. So that was amazing. We had a good time, so maybe later by today we'll go back. I want to practice driving the car. Because many times I've crashed. Home. And look at our room. We just gone for like 1 hour from outside or 1 hour or so. And they came and cleaned our room. They have mopped our room. They have changed our bed sheets. And of course changed everything, wipes and all. And here are some fruits here. Isabella's drawing actually is here. She made this drawing in the morning because she had met some friends yesterday and she wanted to give this to them.
Yeah.
So you are beautiful. So that's what she made today morning as soon as she gets up. As soon as she gets up in the morning. And yes, everything is clean, which is I like. So our bed sheets is totally fresh. Yes, we're going for swimming. And they have cleaned also our washroom because it was so messy yesterday because we just came back from outside and all the water is everywhere because there's no way for us to swab it. So now everything back to what it used to be the first time we came in. So now they gave us new towels. This is what I like hotels. This is like what I like. You know, everything it's clean and tidy up. So for today guys, our vlog, and I hope to see you to our next one, and I hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't yet so you will be notified every time we have a new upload. And now we have to go to the beach. We're getting ready. Actually, I'm ready now. I'm ready to wear my bikini and all. Yeah, we will go to the swimming pool because their swimming pool is warm. It's so nice. And I like their swimming pool. So, bye guys for now. Bye.